Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I have an amazing tool deal for you. We're at Blaine's Farm and Fleet. It has to do with DeWALT, as you can see on the screen, but there's a little nuance, some minutia to talk about. We have a couple different promotions that are all overlapping, and then some excludes this and that, and I thought, well, it's just easier to make a video and talk about it. So, we have buy one DeWALT 20-volt bare tool. You get one 3 amp hour starter kit free. So you get the 3 amp hour battery, you get the charger. I believe it's the DCB 112 charger, so it is the smaller amperage, but it still gets you into DeWALT's lineup, or turn around and sell this on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, wherever you want. I think you get $50 plus for the starter kit, is my assumption, but do your own research on that part. Anyway, we also have free shipping on orders over $79, DeWALT orders over $79. So all of these tools are over $79. So you get free shipping, but that ends today. Today is the last day for that. We also have a promo code. So the promo code, 10 off 1910. Here's the problem with the promo code. It is only working for orders when you pick up in store. So if you pick up in store, you can get $10 off all the prices you'll see here, and we're going to go through all these C lower carton price bullshit things. But if you're taking advantage of the free shipping offer, they won't take the $10 off. Now, as I understand it, from the emails I've received from Harbor Freight, Jesus, Farm and Fleet, tomorrow the code 10 off 1910 will work on orders that you have shipped. However, at that point, free shipping is over and you are paying for shipping. They don't do flat rate shipping. It's calculated based on where you go, and I don't know if they also calculate the weight. I don't know how they figure it out, but it's not flat rate. So, I think you're money ahead by taking advantage of the free shipping. But I don't know for sure. So there's that. Now, there's a ton of tools involved here. If you see, we got a big-ass list. Well, we'll go through them slowly, but here's the thing. There's a bunch of them that say see lower pricing cart. So I added all of those to my cart, and we'll go check out that screen once we scroll through this whole thing so you can see what the actual prices are. That way you don't have to click and add them to your... It just takes forever. It's a pain in the ass. So we're going to look at that before we get out of here. If you're wondering, see lower pricing cart, it's because of MAP pricing, minimum advertised price. So they sign agreements, retailers do, with these various companies, the brands, and they just agree. Like when you see video games, they're always listed the same price everywhere. And then years ago you started seeing, oh, if you buy this video game, we'll give you a $10 gift card. It's the way they're getting around this minimum advertised price. Same thing with the cart. When you add the item to your cart, you're making an action to purchase, and obviously they have to show you the price before you purchase the damn thing, so that's why you have to add it to your cart. And usually these things have a sunset, and that's why you'll see things go on clearance or whatever, and you see the lower pricing cart and you have to add it. Okay, so it's a map pricing thing more times than not. Anyway, here we go. We'll initially just pay attention to the ones that actually show the price, then like I said, we'll go to the cart and show all the other ones. But man, there was a lot involved here. One thing I'm looking at getting, I think I want the heat gun. Do I need the heat gun? No, I got the Harbor Freight one that was $7.99. I've had it for like 3 years and it still works. But I'm a dumbass that'll pay $120 for a heat gun when I already have an $8 one. But the way I'm looking at it is I'm going to pick up in store, so I'm going to pay $109. I don't need the starter kit. And actually I already have a starter kit that's new in the package. So I'm going to create an eBay listing that has a couple of these because I might buy more than one tool here. And I think after shipping and fees, I'll net $40, I think. It just depends what the shipping ends up costing and all that, But if I get $40 to $50, then I'm only paying $50 for the heat gun. I feel a little better about myself. We're gonna round into ways that make it sound better for me, make me feel better. Anyway, okay, so we're still going on here. Here's the starter kit you're getting. They list it as $119, although I don't know how many people actually pay $119 for it. Got all the nail guns, so expensive, but I sure would love to have one. Oh, I'd love to have one. Okay, so if we go over to the cart, I can show you what the actual prices are on everything that was excluded there. So the adhesive gun, $199. Again, you may be able to take $10 off any of these prices, depending on your situation, which was previously explained. Reciprocating saw, $179. Circular saw, $179. Most of these are brushless, I do believe. Like this one doesn't say it is, but it is from the picture. The fan's kind of interesting, so you could get it down to $109. We've seen it sub $100 before, and like even Home Depot had it as a special buy of the day, but we haven't seen it paired with a starter kit that came with a 3 amp hour battery. So at $109 and then getting that 3 amp hour battery, not the right time of year to be buying a fan for most people, but that becomes a pretty good deal. You got the angle grinder at $169. These damn nail guns, I wish they weren't so expensive. What the hell's in these things that makes them so expensive? $249. $249 for the stapler. We got the 3/8. There's two different 3/8 in here. So this Impact is the brushless. It's $189. I believe the non-brush, the brushed version is $139. I'm thinking about going with the brushed version because I know brushless better. I know, but $189. Okay, that's a lot. All right, $139 I feel better about. But $189 for the brushless there. We got the drywall tool at $129. Here, one thing people asked me about before, and just in case you're wondering, if you end up buying more than one, you just change the quantity. So you see, it's just going to keep saying free until I get to more than whatever's in the cart. Someone asked me that before. They said, oh, I'm only getting one free. It only shows one. Well, you got to change the quantity, bud. You got to change the quantity. So here is, I believe, your best bang for your buck. The tire inflator, you could be down to $99 with the promo code. Of course, getting that 3 amp hour battery. I don't know what these sell for on eBay, Amazon, secondhand marketplaces, but you might be able to even make a little money between the starter kit and that, depending on what it's selling for. You'd be better off somewhere where you don't have fees, like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. Might not be worth your time because you probably wouldn't make a lot, but anyway, we'll move on. There's the other 3/8 we were talking about, so $129 after the promo code. I think that's where I'm going. Got the 1/2 inch at $249. Drywall screw gun $139. Oscillating tool, very nice, very nice. It has a little lock on it, like you can lock the trigger, like when you're not using it even. Like okay, so. Twice now, I've thrown this thing in a tool bag with other stuff. It still had the little blade on it, and the battery was on it because you just chuck all this stuff in the bag, not paying attention, and kind of ate up the inside of the bag a little bit. Something hit the trigger and made it go. Whoops. Framing nailer, $319. Got the blower at $139. Impact at $139, and a hammer drill, $159. Planer $179. So here we got order qualifies for free shipping. Anything above $49. Everything on here is that. Also with the $79. You know what? I wonder if these are two different offers that might overlap. Okay, now I'm very interested here. Free shipping on DeWALT tool orders over $49, and this goes to the 30th. I am wondering if tomorrow you could still get free shipping and use that promo code. Because I'll show you. Here's the other offer. It was at the top banner of the page. And this one says free shipping $79 plus ends today. That's a different offer. Okay, I just cut and paste the exact text of the email that I received from the affiliate network, so you'll see exactly what I was reading. Our client does not want to stack this offer with our current universal coupons of 10 off 1910, $10 off orders of $100 or more, and 5 off 1910, $5 off $50 or more. With this being said, we have made changes on CJ, Commission Junction, to 5 off 1910 and 10 off 1910 to be only redeemable for purchases of buy online, pickup in store. We understand how these coupons have been performing for our publishers and want to let you know these coupons will be back to normal on Friday, October 25th. That makes me think you can use the code and get free shipping. So you're going to get both of these starting tomorrow. That's what it sounds like, right? So it's better for tomorrow. Okay, well, here's my quagmire. People are going to forget. If I post this on the 24th, then on the 25th, everyone's going to watch on the 24th, or 90% of the views are going to come on the 24th. People are going to forget. They're going to say, oh, yeah, I got to remember tomorrow to go to Farm and Fleet and buy one of those things, or go onto their website and buy one of those. And then it's just not going to happen. So this video has to get posted tomorrow, which will be today because that's when you're going to watch it, the 25th. Maybe late at night, maybe at like midnight. I wonder what time. I mean, they're in Central Time Zone, but I wonder when their clock, when it changes over on the website. But that makes things even better dealing for everybody because Farm and Fleets are only in the Midwest. So if you were in some other, which reminds me, most of these things won't ship to California. They have so many. I love Farm and Fleet. Oh, you want to make a bunch of bullshit rolls? Oh, all right, we just won't ship shit to your state. Oh, I love that. That's fantastic. I wish I could do that on eBay and Amazon. Like, nah, I don't want to ship to California. Fuck off. Sorry if you live in California, but you should really move. Move, please. Anyway, it sounds like lots of people are, actually. Anyway, alright guys, we're going to sit on this video just for about 12 hours so we can release it. Man, that fucks everything up. I was really planning on getting it out right now. Damn it. Anyway, hey, it's a really good deal. I'm planning, thinking, hoping. You know what I'd really like to do? I'd like to buy the fan, I'd like to buy the heat gun, and I'd also like to buy the 3/8 impact, but I don't know if that's possible, so I'm going to have to make a decision here. I'll think about it. You think about it. We'll reconvene tomorrow and see what we decided. Thanks for watching, guys.